Guys, today we are replacing this noisy bearing. Chill water McQuay air handler. That one right there. So I've already replaced the back side. We're going after this side. Today the building's unoccupied for the most part. This unit's about a year away from replacement, and it is a big pile of junk, but we're keeping it going. It's got all kinds of coil issues, definitely needs a coil. We've even had to add a bypass stuck in here to relieve some pressure, because this thing would just suck water right out of the pan, spill everywhere. Had to put some sheet metal deflectors up there to keep the water from spraying out. And, it's been a lot of fun, but as you can see, it's still dry, so that part worked. As you can see, this coil's seen better days. Since we put the bypass in there, it works better, but you can see it's all eaten up. It's in bad shape. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, I got these loosened up, get these belts off. I believe this shaft is 1 7/16. This is our bearing replacement. It's an SKF brand. And I got that cleaned up. Yeah, we have coil cleaning crews that, when they're done, they spray this antimicrobial paint over everything. They missed the motor. Usually they spray over that too. But so I'm going to clean all that junk off and say a prayer that this comes easily and doesn't fight today. So, and we'll get it done. Alright, got the shaft cleaned up pretty good. These set screws are a little tight. They're posing a little challenge, so should be able to get them broke free. I put some penetrating fluid in there, let it sit for a minute. Couldn't break them free with my T-handles, so we're gonna go the old school and see what that does. tight. One down. Let's try that again. Just a piece of smoke detector pipe, or duct detector, whatever you call it. That's going in the toolbox. All right, 2 for 2. All right, so I'm gonna try to use the impact, get that off. Just got my smaller 3/8. And it's a 15/16 head. I got an 1/8" on the bottom. I think it might be just a hair smaller, but I'm gonna give it a go. And I put the pulley to work, so that's gonna be my third hand. Let's give it a shot. That was too easy. I did squirt them down with some penetrating fluid. Guess that worked. There we go. Switch sides. Liking that. Here we go. So it is starting to move, if you can see in there. That set screw where it was a little off center. So it's moved that much. It's gonna take a little break. It is moving at least. Sliding back for sure. Clean that up. Well, I forgot to take the zoom off. Good job. But as you can see, it did come off. Just with some persuasion. The rust was up in there. It's holding it. Bottom not so much. So she's out. Noisemaker is out. Alright, so the shaft looks like it's gonna be okay. This is where we stopped before. So I filed these down. I think the new one will slide right on there. I don't feel any reason why it wouldn't. So let's give it a shot. Like that side. Alright, not bad. Bolted up pretty good. Nothing rubbing. Put our eccentric on there. Lock it down. There she goes. I'm gonna have to give it a love tap, it looks like. Alright. That'll do. Tea. Alright, put our sheet back on. Just gonna clean it up a little. I gotta clean that up real quick. Alright, so that noise, I don't know if you hear in the background, they're putting a roof on this building. It's not me. See? think that's about got it. Lined up pretty straight. Set screws tight there, bolts are tight. Grease tubes hooked back up in the fitting. And yeah, new belts. So just gotta run these back down, put some tension on it. And this thing better be quiet. Alright, got it tightened down. Belts are tight. No noise. Let's give it a shot. See what happens. Juice. I can actually hear myself talk. No more grinding. Alright, I'm going to let that run a few minutes and we'll check the tension again on the belts. Definitely that major grinding noise is gone. Got a little tap here from that. Might put some rubber pads under there or something. I'm happy with that. They'll be a lot happier than I don't have to listen to that noise. So. Alright guys, that's it. Bearing swap out. These were engine 7/16 pillow block on a McQuay Chilled air handler. Elbow grease, liquid wrenches, and a hammer, and some sandcloth, and got her done. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you next video. That quieted it down. I just took it loose and pulled up on the duct and re-screwed it in, so vibration gone.